I'm making spring green spaghetti carbonara. I've cooked spaghetti for about 8 minutes, which is less than al dente, and I'm going to show you why. So first I'm going to take a little bit of pasta water out, save it for later, the thing I always forget. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the spring green vegetables, julienne snow peas, and sliced asparagus, and I'm just going to finish cooking the pasta and the vegetables together. How clever was that? So I cooked pancetta just until it's nice and brown and crispy. So I'm going to take it out and let it drain on a paper towel. I'm going to add it later so it's really crispy. So that's the pancetta. Okay, now I'm going to make the sauce. I'm doing something really unusual, but it really works. I'm going to take a big bowl and fill it with the hottest tap water. And that's going to warm the bowl. So when the raw eggs and cream go into this bowl, it's going to cook it a little bit. So just fill it up, empty it, and then immediately I'm going to put in 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks, half a cup of cream, and the hot pasta water that I just reserved. I'm just going to whisk them together. So this gets the eggs sort of starting to cook for the carbonara. Okay, so that's the mix. Now I'm going to take the peas, I'm just going to put them in for a second just to heat them up. Give it a stir. Just love the way it looks. Time to drain it. I'm just going to drain the whole thing together. Okay, now this really hot pasta and vegetables goes right into the sauce, and it finishes the cooking. I'm going to give it a big stir. Just you want all that cream and the cooking liquid to just get absorbed into the pasta. Okay, now I'm going to add lots more flavor. So first I've got scallions that have been julienned, about 1/4 cup of chopped chives, lots of Parmesan cheese, and lemon. I like that edge of lemon in this. Okay, that's the zest. And now a squeeze of lemon juice. Now lots of salt and pepper. And pepper. And now the pancetta, the final flavor in this. So the crispy pancetta right on top. The pasta's going to heat the whole thing up. This is so good. Look how much fresher it is. This is light with all of the flavors of carbonara. I'll show you how I serve it. Just pour it right in. You can see all the vegetables and the pancetta. And it stays really hot. And it's still going to keep absorbing the sauce. A little garnish, I think. A little more fresh chive. And next, Parmesan cheese. And maybe a little squeeze of lemon right at the end. When you need something really comforting, you don't want something too rich, I would say spring green spaghetti carbonara is just the thing.